Yay! Itong sukatin ngayon ni Axel si Handsome King, pangbata. Handsome King to ha. Si Handsome King.
Maybe this somewhere in costume. Maybe which costume
Ayun
is
po, tingin ka dun oh. Ito yun sa Handsome King. Dali, isot mo dali. Sap ka dun.
Why? Look, boy, girl, and Pa. How many in blue?
Blue?
Yeah,
Some
yung
blue.
wagi-wagi.
Wagi-wagi blue.
Yeah, how many?
Oh, ayan oh, ito yung
Magkano?
Handsome King, pangbata ha.
Magkano yung blue wagi-wagi and pink wagi-wagi? How many? How many siwa?
Libre lang yun.
Huh? I said how many?
Many more, marami.
No, how many is that?
Ayan ang ating Handsome King.
Magkano yung wagi-wagi? Piso?
Yeah.
Maybe yung puro piso. Papa, why puro piso kasi?
Piso lang naman talaga.
Pabanto yung pichita. My work.
Ito yung Handsome King.
Ito 4 years old.
4 years old. Oh.
Yeah. Kita may paa.
Pa.
Yeah. Man pa din siya man shoes.
Ayan ang ating
Papa, man
Handsome
siya
King
shoes.
costume. Pang kids to ha.
Man siya shoes.
Wala shoes. Crown.
Pushing.
Ito yung crown niya. Oh.
Papa.
Si Handsome. Handsome King costume. Ayan, pambata to ha. May sizes.
No.
Small, medium, large, XL po ang sizes nito. Ayan ang ating King Handsome. Pakita mo dito. Hindi pwedeng ano. Talaga naman to. Ayan, si Handsome King makulit. Makulit si Handsome King. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Handsome King.
Bye.